Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sai Yadav and today we are going to discuss about the aptitude solution for the GATE 2019 paper in Chemical Engineering. So I request you all to please subscribe to the channel and please press the bell icon to get the new notification of our videos. So let's start the video. Alright. So let's start the question. So the first question that was asked in 2019 GATE general aptitude was, so first question is the expenditure on the project dash as follows: equipment 20 lakh, salaries 12 lakh, contingency 3 lakh. So this is an English question in which you have to fill the blank. So what was asked? The expenditure on the project. Okay, so there was a project. Okay, so now in this case, first of all let me tell you, you cannot write break, the expenditure of the project break as follows, so this option directly gets cut out. Next we have breaks. So breaks is a English word, but it is used to break something into two parts. But here we have a list of equipment, salary and contingency given, so we will use breaks down. Okay, so the answer is breaks down, answer is C. Why? So there is a list given in the option question, so breaks down is the correct answer. So second question was the search engine's business model dash around the fulcrum of the trust. So what is fulcrum? Fulcrum is nothing but a straight pipe or a straight moving object, a rotating object. So the answer, so what surrounds the fulcrum? So fulcrum always revolves, so answer is A, option A, fulcrum so revolves. Okay, so third question was of maths. So two cars starts at the same time from the same location and go to the same distance, same direction. The speed of first car is 50 km, second car is 60 km per hour. Number of hours it takes between the two car to be 20 km hour. Okay, so in order to tell you this, so we have a one path. Now after 1 hour, suppose car A reaches 60 km, okay, and car B reaches 50 km. After 2 hours, car A will reach 120 km because speed is 60 km per hour, and car B will reach 100. So this is simple. So it was asked that how much time will it take to get the distance of 20 km between them. So answer is 2 hours, directly you can do it. Okay, now question 4. So question 4 is 10 friends planned to share equally the cost of buying the gift for a teacher. Okay, so there were 10 friends and they decided to buy a gift. When two of them decided not to contribute, so how many are left? So the answer is 8 students are left. Okay, now when two decided not to contribute, each of the other friend had to pay rupees 150 more. Hence those who are contributing have to pay 150 rupees more. Okay, so in order to show how to solve this, let x be the cost of a gift. Okay, x is the cost of a gift. So after removal of two friends and after not removing them, the cost remains same. So let x be the cost of a gift initially, and when two friends left away, then what we can do is 8 into, because there were 8 friends, x by 10 plus 150. Okay, x by 10 is the initial equation, that is the initial cost that each friend was giving, but 150 is added in each friend because two friend left. So this is a what amount that one person have to pay. So for 8 person it will be 8 into this much. So after solving this you will get the value of x equal to 6,000 rupees. Okay, so let us check. I hope I am clear. X by 10 is the initial cost that one have to pay when all are contributing, and when two are not contributing, one has to pay x by 10 into x by 10 plus 150 extra rupees. And there are 8 friends, but the cost after and before were remaining same. So I hope I am clear. 6,000 is the correct answer. A court is to judge as dash is to teach. So this is a pretty simple question. There is a something known as place. So here what we are given, the place of someone. So judge gives their judgment in court and teachers give their lecture in a school. Simple question. Okay. Now 6th question. A police arrested 4 criminals P, Q, R and S. The criminals knew each other. They made the following statement. So what P says? Q is the criminal. Q says S is the criminal. R says I did not do it. And S says what Q says about me was wrong. Okay. So what was asked? Assume only one of the following was arrested and only one of the statement is true. Okay. So now if we consider P as a true statement, so we will arrest Q. Okay. But Q says that S committed the crime. So we will arrest S. Now S says what Q says about me is false, and R says I did not do it. So in order to find who is the criminal, you have to do a trial and error. So suppose if Q committed the crime, then Q would have given the name of someone else. That is what he have given. So we can say that P saying wrong statement. Now Q says S committed the crime. Okay. So and S was saying that whatever Q has said about him was false. So we can consider S is saying true, because always there is a mindset that whoever who is a criminal will not accept it. So in these all 4 sentences we can assume that R is the criminal. So if we fit R as a criminal, we can match other statements. Then we will conclude that whatever S was saying is correct. So we will give answer as S is the correct. Okay. So the criminal is R. So the answer to this question will be, what was asked? Who committed the crime? So R is the correct answer. Now in the given diagram, teacher represent in a triangle researcher. Okay, this is a circle. Out of what the percentage administrator shall be in range of. Okay, so the percentage of administrator is asked. So total administrators are this 20, 10 and 20. So total will be 20 plus 20 plus 10. So answer is 50. So percentage is asked. So we can calculate percentage by the number of administrator by total number of persons. So total is 70 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 40. 70 plus 30, that is 100, 160. So 50 by 160 is the correct percentage. So the answer will be ranging from 31 to 45. Okay, I hope I am clear. Next question 8 is, a recent High Court judgment has sought to dispel the idea of begging as a disease. Okay, so the begging as a disease is to be dispelled, which lead to stigmatization and criminalization, and to regard it as symptom. Okay, so new changes to regard it as symptom. Okay, the underlying disease is a failure of state to protect citizens who fall through the social security net. Okay, so this paragraph clearly suggests that the change should be there in the idea of begging from disease to symptom, because state is unable to protect citizen who fall through social security net. What does the social security net means? Social security net means those items that are given to the society for free or as a society. So beggars are created because of lack of social welfare schemes is the correct answer. This is what we can infer from the given passage. So for GATE, always refer last line of the statement to give the answer. Okay, so the answer is beggars are created because of lack of social welfare schemes. Okay, so next question, in a college there are 3 student clubs, 60 students are only in drama club, 80 are in only in dance club, 30 are only in maths, 40 are in both D&D, 12 are in both, 7 student both, and 2 are all in a club. Okay, so wait, so drama is 60, dance is 80, then maths only is 30, then both in these two is 40, in these two it's 12, in drama and these two it's 7, and in all is 2. Okay, so what was asked, number of student in any club. Okay, so number of student in any club will be this total plus this totals minus 2. So this will be 60 plus 80 plus 30, that is 170 plus 40 minus 2, because 2 are in all the club. You can see this by drawing Venn diagram, but directly use the formula. Who have a time to draw a Venn diagram? Plus 7 minus 2 plus 2, because 2 are extra students. Okay, so this answer will be 225. Okay, and it was given that 75 students are not in any club. Okay, so the number of students in a college can be found out from 225 divided by 0.25, because 0.25 are in the club. So this will give 900 as the correct answer. Alright, so this is the 900 is the correct answer. Okay, 3 of 5 student allocated hostel. Okay, so this is the pretty simple question. X request was, due to pollen allergy I want to avoid wing next to the garden. So this option is cut. X is here. Okay, so this is valid. Okay, so all other are valid. Option B is cut down. I want to live as far from the washroom as possible since I am very sensitive to smell. Okay, so Y is kept away, should be kept away from washrooms. Okay, so here is the washroom, here is the washroom, and here is the washroom. So why all other 3 options are valid. I believe in Vastu, so I want to stay in the southwest wing, means in this direction. So Z, this option is already cut. This also will get cut because here is no Z. Here is also no. So this is a valid answer. Our answer is D. Okay. So this is all about the aptitude. Next video I will be covering question 1 to 25 asked in chemical engineering paper, no matter of which subject they are. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel.